So Miss Olive busy getting pictures. So this is the path na sinusundan namin, guys. So as you can see, different lights. Different heartbeats is recorded.
Someone take one for the team.
You can feel the heartbeat. This one, guys, the heartbeat. Each light bulb glimmers to the rhythm of the heartbeat of a different participant, detected by the PPG pulse sensor located within the piece. As people add a new recording of their heartbeat, the oldest recording in the group is replaced, creating a memento mori. Sensor, and your heartbeat will be heard by everybody. Abu Dhabi at night. Next station is thermal drift in 2020. Displays thermal cameras detect not light but heat as it emanates from bodies, vegetation, the city, and the nearby fire pit by translating the heat into the images. So thermal epidermidis, but it is in flux with the surroundings environment. Our body temperature. Okay. So ayan, guys, in this part of the journey there is a thermal detection. So the body temperature will be detected. So we'll check it out. So seems yung shadow mo, if nandito ka sa harap, will be detected by this. So na-detect na ako ng thermal. Kaya nandyan ako. Nakikita nyo ba ako, guys? Ayan o, the Bagabo siyang 18. Nakikita nyo ba ako? So ayan, galaw-galaw ko, guys. So ayan, the thermal detection. Diba? This is it. Ito yung, ayan, Busyang 18. The bag of Busyang 18. Ang cute. So guys, tapos na kami sa station. May tanong, ilang station ba ito? So, samahan nyo kami. Ayan o, may original gala body. Ito kasama ko sa Europe, guys.
Payat pa ako.
Payat pa daw siya noon. No, diba? Ang dami na naming experiences nito. Nalibot na din namin
Since 2010.
Yeah. Nalibot na namin yung Philippines. Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao. O, diba? Ang dami naming memories
Saudi,
nito, guys.
Europe.
O, diba? Malapit na tayo mag 20 years. Kailangan may tour tayo that ano. Saan tayo na? Saan na kaya nun?
I'm Paris.
Oh, diba? So, abangan, guys.
The shockwave in the form of lights. So if you want to try,
Abu Dhabi at night. Oh, diba? Towering buildings. As you can see. So next experience, guys, seems like a globe. Ayan. Laser po shuttle up. Ayan. So makikita yung face mo dyan, guys. Oh. Sa globe na yan. Aber Lake.
가게가 전세 지원인 것을 시도합니다.
Bumalasyon ng pumupunan sa Al-Hasuling siya maraming mali sa paguran at barley kumasilaman na kapagpapalitiran nito. Ang mga lasing mapasok sa
Tất cả những sai phạm không bao giờ đánh bại những
World Map of Philippines. So welcome to Shadow Toner, an animated image of Earth. 14 kilometers tall balloon. You can come, guys. Hello. Michelle Egan is here with Madame Dion. Magka-travel kami around the world. The end part of the journey, guys. So this is Abu Dhabi at night. So sasakay kami doon ulit sa boat over there. Ito guys yung view from Lulu Island, featuring the city of Abu Dhabi. So the Munar Abu Dhabi experience here in Abu Dhabi. Alam nyo ba guys, ito yung beach nila. It is 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. May bike lane yun guys. As you can...
Nalakad mo yung 8 kilometers.
Nag-bike ako noon.
Ito, may bike lane.
Oo, may bike lane yan.
Sa...
So guys,
Parang
yun yung aming
solo.
experience dito sa Munar Abu Dhabi Island. The Lulu Island guys. So nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo guys? So sana, and see you in my next vlog. You can hear that? We are here in the forest. That it is full of eggs, the big eggs, and it is colorful. You can appreciate that here in the forest. tayo ay nasa kalagitnaan ng forest na ito. And Team Loves Abu Dhabi team prepares artwork here in Abu Dhabi. So guys, experience this magical lights. Just so lovely. You can feel that. Different colors. Just so lovely.